2,500 a month. That is what my friend Mayank was making as an IT support guy in Berlin 2 years ago. Today, he's at 4,500 euros. Same company, same role almost, but he did 3 specific things that most people ignore, which we will discuss in this video. If you're thinking about IT support career, whether you're still in school, switching careers or moving to Germany, stay with me because I am about to break down the real numbers, the career path and exactly what determines if you earn 35,000 or 65,000 doing the same job. I'm Sirat, IT support and cybersecurity specialist, and this is Tech with Sirat. Let's talk money. IT support is one of those careers people underestimate. They think it's just turning it off and on again, right? But here's the reality. IT support is the gateway drug to tech. It's how thousands of people break into IT with no degrees, no coding skills, and sometimes not even perfect German or other EU languages. Alright, let's start with a question everyone wants answered. How much does an IT support technician earn in Germany? Here is the realistic breakdown for 2025 and 2026. Entry level, 0 to 2 years of experience, 30,000 to 40,000 euros per year. That's around 2,000 to 2,500 net per month after taxes, depending on your tax class. Mid-level, 2 years to 5 years of experience, 40,000 to 50,000 euros per year. That's 2,500 to 3,100 netto or net monthly. Senior IT support team lead, 5 years plus, 50,000 to 70,000 euros per year. Some specialized roles hit 75,000 or more euros, of course, especially in cybersecurity support or cloud infrastructure support. Now, before you think that's not bad or that's disappointing, hold on, because these are averages and your real salary depends on 5 major factors that most people don't talk about. Let me break them down. My company is hiring for entry-level and second-level IT support roles. In Germany, these positions are often filled internally or through employees' referrals before they even go public on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, or Stepstone and others. That's why I created a 2-week IT career mentorship program completely for free. If I refer a successful candidate, I get a bonus. So my incentive is to fully prepare you. And I will guide you through the technical skills, the application, and the interview, all for free. If you are interested, comment mentorship below and I will contact you directly. To get all the details, watch the full video above in the link. Section 2. The 5 factors that determine your IT support salary. Here is what separates people earning 35,000 euros from someone earning 60,000 euros in the exact same role. First factor, location. Germany is not one salary market, it is money. Munich, highest paying city. Entry-level IT support starts at 40 to 48,000 euros. Frankfurt, where I'm based, financial hub, banks and fintech pay well, around 39,000 to 45,000 euros to start. Berlin, tons of startups, English friendly, but salaries are slightly lower, 32,000 to 42,000 entry. Hamburg, Stuttgart, Düsseldorf, middle ground 38,000 to 44,000, and smaller cities like Leipzig, Dresden, Hanover 32,000 to 38,000 euros. But cost of living is way lower there. Second factor, company size and industry. Not all IT support jobs are equal. Big corporations like BMW, Siemens, SAP, Deutsche Bank have higher salaries, better benefits, and entry is 42,000 to 50,000 euros. Startups and scale-ups, more learning opportunities. Entry 35,000 to 42,000 euros. SMEs, small medium enterprises, it's a mixed bag, so entry can be 32,000 to 40,000 euros. Third factor, certifications can be the game changer. Certifications can add 5,000 to 10,000 euros to your starting salary. Here are the most valued IT certifications. CompTIA A+, CompTIA, Network Plus, Microsoft certifications like MD 102 or MS900, ITIL Foundation, Cisco like CCNA, Cybersecurity Practitioner, CSP. Even certifications from Coursera helps a lot. Google IT Support Professional Certificate and CS50X on ADX Computer Science helped me get my first IT job here in Germany without any prior experience. Fourth factor, German language skills. Here's the uncomfortable truth. English only? Oh, you will find jobs, but your options are limited. Expect entry salary at the lower end, 31,000 to 35,000. This is where actually I started. German B1 or B2, your options double. Salary range improves 35,000 to 45,000 entry. German C1 level and more, you can work anywhere in Germany. You will negotiate better, you will get promoted faster. 1 year I got no promotion in my job, and the reason was because I still had only B1 German level. Fifth factor, degree versus no degree. Does a degree matter for IT support? Short answer, not as much as you think, but of course better to have it. IT support is skills based. Employers care about, can you troubleshoot? Do you understand networks? Can you communicate with non-tech people? Ausbildung, vocational training as Fachinformatiker is even better. You get paid while learning and you are almost guaranteed to get a job afterwards, starting at least at 50,000 euros. But here's the thing, after 2 to 3 years of experience, your degree matters way less than your skills and new certifications. Okay, so you start at 35,000 euros. Cool, but what's next? Here's the typical IT support career progression in Germany. You were first to 1 year help desk IT support technician, 30,000 to 40,000. Your job, answer tickets, fix computers, reset passwords, support users. First of all, what to focus on? Learn everything, get certifications, build good relationship and networks. Year 2 to 3, IT support specialist, junior system administrator, second level IT support. 40,000 to 50,000 euros. Now you're handling more complex issues, servers, network problems, maybe some cloud support. What to focus on? Specialize. Pick a path. Networking, cloud, AWS, Azure, security, or system administration. Year 4 to 5, senior IT support, system administrator, cybersecurity analyst, depending on the position, 50 to 60,000 euros. You are the go-to person. You might manage a small team, you handle escalations. What to focus on? Leadership, automation, documentation, mentoring juniors. You are 6 years plus, IT support manager, DevOps, cloud engineer. You can get 60 to 80,000 euros per year. At this point, you are no longer just IT support, you are either leading a team or you have pivoted into a specialized technical role like DevOps, cloud, or cybersecurity. And here's the secret. Most people in high-paying IT roles started in IT support, and it's the launchpad. That's what this video is all about. Here is the 10,000 boost trick. Want to jump salary brackets faster? Switch companies every 2 to 3 years. Internal raises in Germany average 3 maximum to 5% per year, but switching companies can give you 15 to 25% more. Example, company A, 42,000. Switch to company B, you get directly 50,000. Same role, 8,000 euros more just by switching. Let me give you the 3 real examples from people I know. Example 1 is my friend Sarah from Berlin, a startup. Her age, she's just 24 with 1 year of experience, and she had Google IT support plus CompTIA plus, German B1 level, salary 35,000. She works hybrid, great work-life balance, learning tons, she's happy. Example 2, Raj, Munich in an IT consulting firm. He's about 28 and with 4 years of experience, and he has CCNA, Microsoft Azure, and he has B2. Salaries 56,000 euros. He supports cloud infrastructure for enterprise clients. He's aiming for DevOps next. Example 3, Mayank. I mentioned him at the start. Age 31, and he has 6 years of experience. He has ITIL, CCNP, AWS Solutions Architect. German is C1, 4,200 euros netto or net per month, around 63,000 in total. He started at 35,000 as help desk. invested in certifications, switched companies twice. Now he is a senior IT support engineer at a fintech, the same company where he started, so he came back. The lesson is your starting salary is not your ceiling. So you have to get certifications, prepare, grow, change companies. So to wrap this up, yes, you can make good money in IT support in Germany. Entry level might not blow your mind, but within 3 to 5 years, you can be earning 55,000 to 70,000 in a stable, respected career with incredible work-life balance. The key, get certified, learn German, aim for B2 or C1, choose your location wisely, don't be afraid to switch companies for growth every 2 to 3 years. And remember, IT support is not the end, it's the beginning. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you currently in IT support? What's your salary and location? Anonymous is fine as well. Or if you're just starting, what's your biggest concern? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and reply. And if this helped you, subscribe to Tech with Sirat, where we talk real career advice for tech in Germany and Europe. See you in the next one. Peace.